Welcome back 9th standard. So the next question that we're going to do is question number 7th. Question number 7th. A joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone. Base radius 7 centimeters, height 24 centimeters. Find the area of sheet required to make 10 such caps. So simple application, we will first find the area of sheet required to make one cap. Multiply the answer with 10. Now, to find out the area of the sheet required to make one cap, we shall find out the curved surface area because the joker's cap is open at the base. So there will be no base area included. Let's write the answer. Question number 7th. Let us see what's given. We've been given for a joker's cap the base radius is 7 centimeters and height is 24 centimeters. So R is 7 centimeters and H is 24 centimeters. We need to find out the area of sheet required to make 10 caps. So we will first find out area of sheet needed to make one cap, and this will be given by the curved surface area because the cap is open at the base. This will be given by pi RL. Again, I don't have the L. The slant height is missing. Let's find out the slant height using the Pythagoras theorem. L square equals to 24 square plus 7 square. So L square comes out to be 625. The value of L comes out to be 25 centimeters. Let's use the value of L and R to obtain the curved surface area. The radius is 7. The slant height we calculated 25. So this comes out to be 550 centimeter square. Now from here, find out the area of sheet needed to make 10 caps. So the area of sheet needed for 10 caps will be given by area of sheet needed for 1 multiplied by 10. So the answer comes out to be 5500 centimeter square. This is the answer for question number 7th. Now let us take a look at 8th question. A bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones. Hollow means empty from the inside. The cones are made of recycled cardboard. Each cone has base diameter of 40 centimeters, height 1 meters, different units. If the outer side of cones is to be painted and the cost of painting is 12 rupees per meter square, what will be the cost of painting all these cones? Pi is 3.14 and they have given a value of square root of 1.04 as 1.02. Now, since we want to find out the cost of painting the cones, we should know which surface is being painted. And if you observe, looking at the question, we come across this word hollow. This means the cones are completely open from the empty from the inside. So the area to be painted will be given by the curved surface area. Let's find out the area for 50 cones and then find out the cost. Question number 8. So we have hollow cones. The measurements are given as base diameter 40 centimeters. Height is given as 1 meters. Now I have different units. I would like to change these into smaller units, but in the question the cost is given for per meter square. So I have to work with meters. Let's convert. Before conversion, let's find out the radius. 40 by 2, this will be 20 centimeters. Now converting it into meters, this comes out to be 1 by 5 meters, and the height is 1 meters. Now the units are same. I can proceed with the work. Step number 1, to find out the area to be painted. Area to be painted for one cone. This will be given by the curved surface area, which is pi r L, using the values. Pi is 3.14 into the radius is 1 by 5. The slant height, again slant height is missing. Let us find out the slant height first. L square equals to h square plus r square, using the values. H square is 1, r is 1 by 5, so this is 1 square is 1, plus this is 0.2 squared, so this will be 1 plus 0.04, this is 1.04. So L square comes out to be this, and L comes out to be square root of 1.04. Now this value is given in question. This is approximately 1.02. Now if this value was not given in question, you would have to find the square root of 1.04 yourself and then use the answer here. So now we have the value for L, the slant height. Let's use it here, 1.02. So this is 314 by 100 into 1 by 5 into 102 over 100. I am not solving it, I am just leaving it as such. I'll be using the same value for the next step. Step number 2, the area to be painted for 50 cones. So this is the area for 1. This will be multiplied by 50. 50 into 314 over 100 into 1 by 5 into 102 over 100. This gets cancelled, this 0 gets cancelled. So I have 314 into 102 over 1000 meter square. If I had to find out the area to be painted, then I would have simplified this answer. But since I don't need this answer, I don't need the area to be painted as such, this is not asked in the question, I am not simplifying this again. I'll use this as such for the next step. Now step number 3. Step number 3 will be to find out the cost of painting. We already have calculated the area to be painted. The cost of painting, it's given for 1 meter square, it is 12 rupees. I have to find out for the area of 50 hollow cones, and this is what I calculated in the previous step. So for 1 it is 12. I need to find the cost for this area. 12 multiplied by 314 over this. Again, I will not be simplifying. I will multiply the numerators and I will obtain the product of numerators and then introduce the decimal back. So this comes out to be 3,84,336 over 1000. Now using the 1000 to introduce the point, this is approximately 384 rupees and 34 paise. I have rounded it off, rounding off the last digit.